Well, I've been doing another welding job, as you can see here, but this job isn't what I want to talk about today. I am actually going to upload a full video of this job very soon. So this is a Ford Focus ST and it's a sill repair I've been doing. But as I said, I don't want to talk about this now. I want to talk about something else. So that's something else I want to talk about is this R Tech welding mask and the R Tech filtration unit. So I bought this system because, well, I was sick of getting ill every time I welded. So every time I was doing some welding, big jobs anyway, certainly, I would end up with a sore throat, the sweats, the flu-like symptoms, and just generally not feeling very well. So I did a Google search and I had a look at the different masks. Some of the prices of them were absolutely through the roof. I couldn't believe how much you can pay for this kind of system, a mask and a breathing filtration system. So you're looking sort of between, well, anywhere up to 1,500 to 2.5 grand. Crazy. But I come across this anyway by R Tech, and I'm not getting paid by these any money for showing this or doing a review on this. I just really want to show people what I bought because I'm really happy with it. So I just want to do a bit of a review really after using it for a while on several jobs. So it's been really good. I'll quickly show you. So this is the mask. Obviously the air feed comes in through there. It's got that lovely hood. It's really well made. So the front flips up like so for if you want to do grinding with it, and you can obviously keep the air coming through, the fresh air coming through into the mask, so you're not breathing in any of the grinding, the crap from the grinding. Also, it's handy to lift up just so you can have a look at what you're doing. I mean, it does really have a clear glass on it anyway, but it's good if you're maybe in a really dark spot. You can just lift that mask up. It'll stay up and then you can flip it back down. I can't believe the quality of this. The quality is like really good for the money. So coming to the money, I paid less than 500 quid for this setup and I can't believe it. It's really good for that money. So this here, it's got 8 hours worth of battery life, so it can run continuously for 8 hours. It takes 2 to 3 hours to charge up and it's got 3 different settings. So I'll set this away. You just basically hold that down and off it goes. Hold it down and it'll give it more volume of air. So these numbers are the volume of air that it's pumping into the mask. And that's flat out. So you probably hear the air coming through, comes from the top, blows down across your face. It's absolutely lovely. Lovely, fresh, cool air blowing on your face while you're welding. It's fantastic. So this mask, it activates when you pick it up. It activates basically when you start using it. It's got shades 4 to 15. It's ideal for any welding, MIG welding, to AC/DC TIG welding, stick welding. You can do any welding with this mask. It's absolutely fantastic. So it's got true colour technology and 4 sensors. It comes with a spare outer screen. I've just got the yellow one on there. There is actually 3 different colours that you can get, 3 different shades to go on there. So in the box, there's a spare one come with it. Also a few other bits and bobs. Spare internal screens, internal lenses. That's possibly a bag. I've not opened that up yet. Yeah. So that's a view from inside the mask with the screen lifted up. That's a view with it down. It's quite dirty at the moment, as you can see, but it's still very clear. And I don't know if you can see, but it's like got some side screens in there, some side lenses in there to let in extra light, but you can actually block them off if you want to. And obviously there's your little buttons there to make all your adjustments. So that's my new welding mask and my air-fed breathing apparatus. Fantastic bit of equipment, so I just thought I'd do a quick review on that. I'm going to get on and do some more welding soon. Just worth mentioning that this unit here, when it's starting to run out and the battery's running flat, it starts beeping just to let you know, so you know that that battery is running flat. You can just put it on charge for a bit while you have a cup of tea or something to break, and then you can get back welding again. It does charge up quite quickly, as mentioned. So yeah, a bit of a review on that mask. I hope it helps someone that wants to know what this mask is like. It's really good. I've been welding for like 30 years now. I've been in the bodywork trade for 30 years, and I can honestly say this mask is really good. It's good quality. It's absolute value for money. It is under 500 quid. It's absolutely spot on. So if you're looking for a welding mask, this will absolutely do the job for you. Right, with all that said, I'm going to get back on with this job and I'll upload a video of this soon.